Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to set or modify the icon name in AlmaLinux 9 operating system. So first I am logging to terminal as a root user. Hostname ctl command. So here you can see that some icon name is already there. So you can change the icon names like this. Okay, hostname ctl set hyphen hostname. Sorry, hostname ctl set hyphen icon name. So I'm giving some icon name. So I have given the icon name as computer desktop. So you can see that icon name is changed to computer desktop. So there are some predefined values for icon names. Please refer the hostname ctl man pages for more icon names. Okay. So this is the way you need to set the icon name in AlmaLinux 9 operating system.